play Mad Lib. I love this game. So,
Yes.
do you know what this is?
I don't know.
No, okay. So, I want to personally thank Jimmy Fallon for this game idea. So, Jimmy, if you're watching, thank you. Can you give me a funny sound? Anything?
Meow.
Meow. I need a color.
Red.
Red, okay.
I need a city in England.
Manchester.
A body part.
Elbow.
Elbow. A dessert. Okay, yogurt. Perfect. A big number.
1 million.
1 million. Okay. Food, plural. Like bananas, cheesecakes, something like that.
Cucumbers.
Cucumbers. Okay.
Cucumbers.
Do you know what a seagull is?
Yes.
Okay. What is the sound of a seagull? What does it make? What's the sound of a seagull?
A squawk.
I want to hear it. I want to hear
Squawk, squawk, squawk.
the name of a Disney character. Cinderella. Cinderella. A fictional place. A place that doesn't exist. Maybe it exists in books. Neverland. I need the name of a famous actor or actress.
Brad Pitt.
Brad Pitt. Wow, that's a quick answer. Brad Pitt. I need the name of a city in the USA.
New York.
New York.
Yeah.
Okay. And I will need the name of a singer.
Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber.
Clearly back in 2011, but okay. Justin Bieber.
Okay. The name of a dangerous animal.
A lion.
A lion. Okay, cool. Perfect. Now, let me write this for the two teams. We'll be back shortly and I explain to you what's gonna happen. Who wants to be the inspector?
Inspector. I'll be the inspector.
I want to be the inspector.
I want to be the inspector.
Okay, who wants to be the detective?
I want to be the dessert.
So, let's act out a little bit. So we have the inspector, the detective, and you're the suspect, okay? The inspector, the detective, and you're the suspect, okay?
Okay.
Ready? Inspector, it's you.
Yeah.
Detective, it's you. Ready?
You can show the camera, but yeah, quickly, because you don't want people to see. Let's see what happens. Ready? 1, 2, 3, action.
Hello. Are you Mr. Meow?
Yeah, it's me, I'm Mr. Meow.
We are Inspector Red Elbow and Detective Yogurt from the Manchester Police. You are suspect number 1.
Why?
We have a video of you stealing 1 million cucumbers from McDonald's.
Squawk, squawk, it's not me.
We think it's you. In the video, you are wearing a Cinderella mask, but we know it's you. Where do you live?
I live in Neverland.
You don't live in Brad Pitt Street in New York?
No, I live in Justin Bieber Street in Neverland.
It's not him.
Can I go now? I need to give food to my pet lion. It only eats cucumbers.
Cucumbers? Arrest him!
Nice. Okay, cool. So basically, the principle here is to try to get them to give crazy answers. It fits much better. You can rewrite this kind of scenario in all sorts of ways. I really encourage you to watch Mad Libs from Jimmy Fallon to get ideas. But really, keep it simple, and you can even give each thing like, okay, I need an adjective, I need a noun, I need, you can go, you can do a serious one if you want to, it could be something, but it's just crazy one is just more fun. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone.
Bye.